Hello and welcome to this guided meditation made for reducing anxiety, worry, and stress. This practice will make you feel very relaxed. Find a quiet place where you will not be disturbed. Make sure you're sitting comfortably in a soft chair or maybe laying down on a bed. Doesn't really matter. As soon as you feel comfortable. This is time for you and you only. It is important that you allow yourself to have this time and this space. Close your eyes now and start focusing on your breathing. Do your best to slow it down as more as you can. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. This will help you with your journey away from all the worries that you may be holding. When you're ready, breathe deeply through your nose for a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Now breathe out through your mouth for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do this one more time. The exhaling is a little bit longer than the inhaling. That will help your body to relax much more effectively. Breathe in this way a few more times, and then just relax and let your breath return to its normal state. As you start to settle down and get more comfortable, notice how you are ascending through the layers of consciousness that form the everyday world. Imagine now that you're surrounded by darkness as you feel like being held in some eternal arms. You become aware of light as a dawn when the colors of the world lush out of the night. You can hear the noises of gentle waves crushing into the shore. A flock of seagulls and the warm sunlight caressing your skin. You can feel how the waves slowly and gently shake the wooden boat you are in. You take a look and realize the white sandy shores is just next to you. Beyond the beach, you can see a field covered with all kinds of different flowers. It is so colorful. And above the field, thick green wood going up a mountain hills. The water below you is warm and crystal clear. It's just a few feet deep. The sun rays shine through the crystal water. You look up to the horizon where you can see the curve of the world and the ocean getting sapphire blue. There are no ships around you. It is you and the 3 dolphins playing a bit further away. You look at the beautiful landscape, laying like a painting under the sun. You realize how perfect this moment is. Some white bird flies over your head. It is not a known bird you've seen before. It circles your boat, and then as you watch, spreads those great frosty wings above you. A shimmer of light shines, and suddenly the bird transforms into a figure that sits in front of you on the other side of the boat. It is not exactly a human figure, but you know this is personification of the beautiful world you live in. The look makes you feel so much calmer and happier. The moment you close your eyes, you hear their voice in your head. They know what you're here for and ask you, where are your worries? At first you feel confused, but then you see a black glass ball rolling in your feet. It changes colors, dark, murky colors that do not have place in this peaceful, beautiful world. The figure takes the ball from your feet, and you instantly feel how the worries and troubles wash away from you. You don't know that this weight was crushing you, as if it was taken from your shoulders. As it touches the ball, your visitor tells you that there is nothing to worry about anymore. Suddenly you notice that the ball colors start to change from dark and murky to bright, soft, and calming. As you're watching your visitor in the eyes, you realize that your life is full of possibilities, and everything in this world is working for your best outcome. All of your worries and anxieties can transform it. All your worries and anxieties can transform into something bright. It is not necessary to always focus into your fears. It is all about believing strongly that everything can change for the best. They give it back to you, this time shiny and glimmering. The figure tells you to carry it in your heart, as one might carry a lucky charm when doubts or fear come into your mind. Direct them into this globe of the light and let it transform them. Every human has the power and the strength to do it. The figure tells you that this world comes from your own imagination, and your mind is what created everything here. So you can come back always, whenever you want. They say that they'll wait for you whenever you want to come back. And then the figure quickly transformed back into a bird again. The same beautiful, magical bird you saw before. spreads its wings and flies towards the mountain. You sit back, close your eyes, diving into your imagination, sinking down into the depth of light and color. You know that you're completely safe, secure, calm and relaxed, going back into the world you came from.